Okay, and on to the pudding. Okay, so following down our Nepalese route, we've got some Gulab jamun. It's like a donut basically, a fried semolina donut. And that's some syrup there. We've got carrot halwa. That's basically sort of cooked down sweet carrot. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop our Gulab jamun. Put that pan syrup back in there. Pop them on the oven, quite a low oven, I think we're at about 170, just for a few minutes to warm them up. Okay, next job we're going to get the halwa in the pan. I'll get that in the small one, I think. So in that goes. We're going to probably won't cook yours down as much as this, so it'll hopefully be a little bit thinner, but now I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water, get that going, and then the syrup we're going to pop in the other pan. Pop that on a low heat. Spatula for the halwa. Okay, the syrup's looking pretty warm there, so that's been a few minutes for the gulabs. So then we'll get them. Pop them in the warm syrup. So they've gone nice and soft now. So we don't really want to boil this syrup, it's just an extra bit of soaking into the gulab. I'm pretty sure our halwa's looking ready, so I should think that we're going to be pretty much ready to plate. So we're going to start off with the halwa in the bottom. Try and get this to be fairly neat, I think. And you can add as much or as little syrup as you want, but I think quite a lot's going to be good. Finally, any of the nuts piled on top.